Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2025 Silverado 1500. The Chevy Silverado 1500 has the lowest cost of ownership of any full-size pickup. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear step bumper, hill descent control, alloy wheels, brake assist, tire pressure monitoring system, remote keyless entry, fog lights, trailering package, four-wheel disc brakes, front-wheel independent suspension. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.